Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and I hope everything's going good with you. So today I'm back with this website here is called Kaggle, and it's an online platform that hosts data science competitions, provides data sets for exploration and analysis, and offers a collaborative environment for data scientists and machine learning practitioners. And it was founded in 2010 and acquired by Google in 2017. So to get started with this website, simply head on over to Kaggle or Kaggle.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. And here are some results that I got after my search on Google. I have the official site here and some people questions and their page on Twitter, and also some videos on YouTube and some similar websites. So we need the official site. That means the first one, we need to click to this link here, the Kaggle, your machine learning and data science community. Now once you click to the link, you get directly to the home page or the interface of the website, where you can find some key features and all the information that you need to know, and also this two button over here. If you have already an account, you will just sign in. If this is the first time for you in Kaggle, you will just register like I will do now, because this is the first time I use this website here. And we have here these two choices. If you want to register with the Google account or with the email, I will choose this one. And also if you have already an account, you will just sign in from this small two words here. Okay, let's register with the email. So this is some information that we need to fill and answer to register successfully. We need to enter our email address, and we need to choose a password. The minimum is 7 characters. And here we need to enter the full name. And we need to configure that we're not a robot. And like you see here, this will be your profile URL, kaggle.com/SusanBrian. That means here it will be your full name. And if you want to email the Kaggle news and types, you can just click on this. If you want, you don't want to do that, you can cancel. Okay, now let's click on next. And we need to read these privacy terms here, and then you need to click on that you agree. If you agree, of course. Now in this step, this should be sent an email to us. Let's check our inbox. Now this is the 6 characters that we need to enter right here. Let's enter them. Okay, it's double L R. Okay, let's click on next. So now, like you see with me, we created the account successfully. Welcome to Brian. Here is all the information for the login streak and the tier progress and the public activities. And because we just start now, like you see here in the data test, we have 0 notebooks, 0 competition, and 0 decision, and also 0 courses. And also here we find these competitions here, or we can call it also the data science competition. And the Kaggle hosts a wide range of data science competitions where participants can compete to solve real world problems using machine learning and statistical modeling techniques. Competitions can involve tasks such as classification, regression, image recognition, natural language processing, and more. The competitors submit their solutions, and the platform evaluates and ranks them based on predefined evaluations metrics. And for the, like you see here, there is all the information about the science competition. And for the data sets here, its mean Kaggle provides vast collections of datasets across various domains, allowing users to access and download data for their own analysis, research, and machine learning projects. These data tests can be contributed by the community or provided by organization for specific competitions or challenges. And you will find all the examples here, or the trained in datasets that meet the most famous data tests, like the Spotify revenue, expenses, and McDonald's nutrition data test, or the list of best-selling PlayStation 4 videos or virtual reality experiences. You will find them all here. And for the section of the games, you will find the most famous competition datasets like the FIFA and the WTA tennis and Premier Lacrosse League team state, or the LPGA 2022 player performance. And we have in the type of the education and the type of internet and more. And like you see this section here where you can find, let me come back to the home, this one here on the notebook and or the kernels. Kaggle allows users to create and share Jupyter notebooks known as kernels, which are interactive, excuse me, which are interactive environments for data explorations, analysis, and modeling. Users can showcase their work, collaborate with others, and provide detailed explanation of their code and methodology. So once you complete the notebook of or the kernel, you will just find this over here, because this is the first time I use the website. That why you will find no notebooks found on this one. And yeah, and here and this the decisions and collaboration is very important in the Kaggle, and because it provides a platform for users to engage in decisions, ask questions, and seek guidance from the community. Users can collaborate on projects, share insights, and learn from others' experience. And one from the wonderful guides in Kaggle, it's this one here, the model, or we can also call it the learning resources. The Kaggle offers learning resources, tutorials, and courses to help users enhance their data science skills. These resources cover various topics, including machine learning, data visualization, and deep learning, and more. And also Kaggle, it provides to us job opportunities, and it serves as a platform for job posting related to data science and machine learning. Organization looking for data science talents can post job opening, and users can explore and apply for these opportunities. And Kaggle has become a popular platform for data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts due to its active community. So this is will be our video today. I hope you get to understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos about websites like this. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website. I hope you still in good health until that time.